In a smartphone market obsessed with ultra-thin designs and flagship specs, the newly launched Doogee V Max S takes a bold step in the opposite direction. This device prioritizes extreme durability, monstrous battery capacity, and rugged features aimed at users who need a reliable, tough phone for demanding environments. If you're looking for a smartphone that can last for days without charging, survive harsh conditions, and offer some unique functionality, the V Max S deserves your attention. At the heart of its appeal is the colossal 22,000 mAh battery, the largest capacity you'll find in a smartphone today. To put that into perspective, this is roughly 4 times the capacity of typical flagship phones. Thanks to this immense battery, the V Max S can deliver astonishing endurance. Talk time up to 156 hours non-stop. Music playback for 142 hours. Continuous video streaming for 45 hours. Standby time exceeding 60 days. Such longevity means you can go about your week without hunting for a charger. It's a dream come true for hikers, field workers, outdoor adventurers, or anyone who frequently finds themselves away from reliable power sources. The device also supports 33W fast charging to get you powered up quicker when needed, plus 5W reverse charging, turning the phone into a power bank for other devices in a pinch. Beyond battery life, Doogee equips the V Max S with an intriguing camera setup that stands out in the rugged phone niche. The main sensor is a 108MP shooter capable of 4K video recording, delivering detailed photos and sharp videos. Complementing it is a 20-megapixels infrared camera that allows you to see in complete darkness. This night vision camera isn't just a novelty, it's a practical tool for night shift workers, security personnel, or outdoor enthusiasts who might find themselves navigating or documenting in low-light conditions. For close-ups, a 2-megapixels macro lens rounds out the rear cameras, while a 16-megapixels selfie camera sits on the front for clear video calls and selfies. In terms of build quality, Doogee has gone all out to ensure the V Max S is as tough as it looks. It carries multiple certifications, including IP68 and IP69K, guaranteeing protection against water, dust, and even high-pressure water jets. Moreover, it meets the MIL STD 810H military standard, meaning it can withstand shocks, extreme temperatures, and altitude changes, making it suitable for harsh environments and heavy-duty use. The phone's frame is reinforced with a shock-absorbing bumper, and the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass to resist scratches and impacts. Notably, the touchscreen is designed to remain responsive even when you're wearing gloves, which is essential for industrial or outdoor work. One of the most practical additions on the device is its dual 1200 lumen flashlights, with 5 brightness settings and an SOS mode. These LED flashlights serve as powerful illumination tools during nighttime or emergency situations, transforming the phone into a reliable companion in darkness. Of course, all these rugged features come with a trade-off. In terms of size and weight, measuring 178.5 by 83.1 by 26.3 millimeters and weighing 536 grams, the V Max S is roughly double the weight of an average smartphone. While this bulkiness might deter users accustomed to slim phones, for those needing a device built like a tank, it's a reasonable exchange. After all, this phone doubles as a flashlight, a power bank, a night vision camera, and a durable communication tool, which justifies its heft. Inside the robust chassis, the phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, an 8-core processor with 5G support, paired with 8 GB of RAM. The system further enhances performance with an additional 16 GB of virtual RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and app handling. Storage comes in at 256 GB, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD, giving ample space for media, apps, and files. Doogee V Max S runs Android 14 out of the box, offering the latest software features and security updates. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless internet, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless device pairing, NFC for quick transactions, and multi-constellation GNSS for precise location tracking, which is valuable for outdoor activities. Although not tailored for high-end gaming or power users, the device's specs are more than sufficient for everyday tasks and specialized uses. The combination of rugged durability, exceptional battery life, and useful features like infrared night vision positions the VMAX S as a standout in the niche of outdoor and industrial smartphones. Currently, the Doogee VMAX S is available globally at a retail price of approximately $479, equivalent to around 12 million Vietnamese dong. For those looking for a bit more, Doogee also offers the VMAX Plus variant, which boosts the main camera resolution to 200 megapixels, increases RAM to 12 GB, and doubles storage to 512 GB. This enhanced version is priced about $120 higher. In summary, Doogee's VMAX S is not your typical smartphone. It rejects the conventional pursuit of thinner, lighter devices in favor of strength, stamina, and specialized functionality. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals in construction, security, outdoor sports enthusiasts, or anyone needing a reliable phone that won't quit when the going gets tough.